To start working with templates, we need to go to the Extensions menu under the Notifications and click on Template section. If you want to create a new template, you need to click the Add button, but we will work with previously created template. The DevExpress interface and the familiar component object model will appear before us. Here's how it works. You populate the DevExpress interface with some UI elements, then bind them to our data model, and within the component, its data flow fills these fields with values. If you need to create a more complex and visually appealing template, I recommend referring to the DevExpress documentation because our case is quite simple. Here we use a label, another label, and create fields that we bind to the values name, production, year, and price. After that, click the Save button, return to our component, and create a new data flow that we will refer to our template. We need our component cars, which is responsible for creating new info about newly appeared cars, and we need to create a new data flow. The first step will be a Get Action model, then Render Templates, the step. Let's configure it. Choose a previous step, choose our template, and set render type, the type of document we can download to PDF, and name the file name of a. Now map our fields obtained from the form. The car field is equal to data car price, car name, data car full name, and production year, data production year. If you remember these three fields, we are part of our template subject model. Next, we need the step formation and choose Download File Action, and the final step for Write Response. Now let's create a button that will be linked to this data flow. Just add another panel, remove Grow, and make it transparent. After that, we can add a button to our panel. We can move it to the right side and rename it to Create Offer Document. After that, set its color to overall colors here of our components. Let it be. After that, we can click a Save button. And now we will link this button to our data flow and rename it to Create Template. Click Save, ready to publish, and move on the final part after reviewing what we have done. Previously, this form page was only used to create a new car record. Now we have added a data flow that renders and allows downloading a generated template based on our fields. Next, we need to link this form to our main component that contains the data grid. We need to go to the data grid settings to the Actions group. Select the common type to open application. Choose the components we are interested in. In our case, cars. Choose the page and click on Action Parameters. Here we can map our fields. Set ID to equal ID. Then click Save, ready to publish, and go to the Publication menu. Publish both of our components. And after that, return to the workplace. Let me explain what we did. Let's refresh the page. Thanks to Open Application in the Action Settings group. Now when we click on any record within our data grid, the selected page will open and the fields will be marked by record ID. As you can see, we clicked on the Toyota Camry record, and the fields of this record were transferred to our form. Now we can safely click Create Offer Document. The file download begins. We open our PDF and see that the template generated correctly. All the fields of this record are displayed: the car's name, year of production, and car price.